Good evening. Turn on your cameras. Amrutji, Arvindji. Tell me, children, how many of you? Yes, sir has joined. How many of you have? How many of you have revised the formulas of sequence and series? Tell me, and asked you to solve couple of problems. How many of you have done with that? Aravind will talk about this something. Aravind, come on. Aravind ji.
Yes,
Yes, Aravind.
yes, sir.
Can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Yes, please. Come
Sir,
on.
sir, you gave a formless exercise for yesterday.
I didn't. Can you please talk loudly, beta? Yes.
Sir, you gave formulas the previous week, no, sir.
Huh.
Sir, that I couldn't revise, sir, because there was college, so much I work from college, and sir.
Okay.
I found very little time.
Okay. Why you didn't do that?
Sir, because we're having college from morning 8 till 6, then, sir. And then after that, we are studying, and then till that's the only time we get.
Okay. Mm-hmm. See, you do one thing, instead if you have a class, college, if you have a stuff from the college side to do, you have to do one thing here. Make sure that every day, if you have any, like if you have busy schedule, take a 15 minutes at least. I don't think so. 15 minutes you won't get. See, people are joining now here. Uh, See, I don't think so. You will not get time. You will get at least a 15 minutes. You invest your time. 15 minutes of time. They go, like whatever we have gone through, whatever we have. Let us say we have. I have given you the JE notes. Let us say I have given you the JE notes. Please go to that, which is because that is a shortlisted notes. That's a shortlisted notes. After filtering all the stuff, after filtering all the stuff, I have made that notes and giving to you, right? Which means you have to revise it at all. Like if you are revising once in a blue moon, what will happen? You're never going to understand. You're never going to understand the question. You're never going to remember all the stuff. All right, the questions with the chapter whichever we are discussing, we are filtering which is required for your JE. First of all, we are which from which chapter you are going to get many questions. Let us say now we are in sequence and series. Every year you are getting two questions from that. So that much important that chapter is all about. That's what the reasons that's what the reason behind starting that chapter. All right. Yes. So now I would request you all, please. Yes, Aravind, Amrud. Yes, you talk about beta. Yes.
Sir?
Tell me, have you revised?
No, sir.
See, Anjali is joining now. What is the reason behind joining late?
Sir?
Abhinaya ji,
Sir,
Abhinaya, what is the reason behind joining late, beta?
sir, actually I sent the request in WhatsApp. The request was in pending, sir.
Okay, okay. So I just asked you to solve 10th question. How many have you done 10th question here? I asked you to solve a couple of problems. How many have you done? I'm asking. How many have you tried at least? Solving is different. How many have you tried? You just tell me.
Sir, I didn't note the question, sir.
I just shared the class notes, beta. I just shared the class notes. Share the Google Classroom. In Google Classroom notes you will be getting over there. Have you have you seen the Google Classroom notes? Have you
Yes.
downloaded it? Have you
Yes, sir.
downloaded it? Okay. Then why you didn't do that? Why you didn't do that? It is not the case. I just I just given you like very less number of questions. I know that you have very uh, so much of work from your college side. So I can understand other subjects also there. But that's for the reason I'm giving less number of problems. If you are not making that one also, then what's the reason that? Yes, Disha, please. Disha,
Yes, sir.
tell me, beta, have you done?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, actually, I got a lot of work from college.
Okay. No. There was like not many questions, right? There are very less number of questions. Very less number of questions. Huh? Anjali, you?
No, sir, I had a biology test, so I couldn't do.
Okay. See, everyone is finding some reasons, which means like that is not going to be for every time. You cannot give the same reasons for long time, right? No. You cannot give the same reasons for long time. It shouldn't be like that, isn't it? You understand? You understand? Yes or no? Are you getting my
Yes,
question?
sir.
Yes or no? Huh. Chalo, 1 second. And I asked you to solve, guys, because it's and from today onwards, I'm gonna text you personally that see already I started doing for like your juniors, ninth and 10th children. So what I'm going to do is see I asked you to solve simultaneously your NCRT, D Sharma, R.S. Agarwal, whatever the book you have. If you have from your college side, you please go to that. At least minimum come say come 7 to 8 problems you must solve. 7 to 8 problems. All right, 7 to 8 problems you must solve, and you have to text me as soon as you're done with those problems. As soon as you finish those solving those problems, you must text me, sir. I have done with that. So that if I ask you suddenly if I ask you to send beta, then immediately you have to in a position that you have to you have to be in a position to send me those solutions, whatever you have solved, whatever you have sorted out. All right, those problems you have to send me immediately. If I ask you to send me immediately, you have to do. But the request is you have to send a message. You have to send me a message in WhatsApp that sir I have done with your homework. I just solved 7 to 8 questions every day. Irrespective of the, whether you have a class or not, don't mind it all. If you don't have a class, just leave it. If you don't have a class, it doesn't mean that you shouldn't solve that. Every day you have to solve. Every day you have to solve and just send me 7 to 8. Come say come. कौन सा question like your board exam, like board exam point of view, whatever. Subject wise, is it clear with everyone? Is it clear?
Yes.
Now,
Yes, sir.
I request all, not only one children, everyone must do that. Everyone must do that. And मुझे, I said like, it's not like that I'm not giving the homework. It's not the case. It's not the case. All right. So yesterday I started with the 9th and 10th. So the 9th and 10th children have started doing that. So they are texting me as soon as they done with that, done with their homework. So you also have to do same thing. Clear? Is it clear? Come से कम. At least you solve 5 questions. 5 questions, not more than 5 ले लो भाई, 5 ले लो. 5 questions. It could be, if you are solving that, so what will happen is you will be in a track. You will be in a track. Is it clear? Chalo, let's get started now. हाँ. The last. Question. Tell me. Chalo, how many of you? I asked you to solve this question. So this question is what? If arithmetic means AMs, if EM arithmetic means, what is that? EM arithmetic means, I just told you, I just gave you a couple of, formulas related to this. If M arithmetic means between three geometric means, sorry, M arithmetic means and three geometric means are inserted between 3 and 243, such that fourth arithmetic mean is equal to second geometric mean. Then what is the M equal to? Very beautiful question, beta. 2020. This question has been asked in 2020. 2020. All right. चलो, what is the question? मैंने बताया था आपको एक problem, एक formula. Like what is that? So here between 3 and 243, between A and B, there are many arithmetic means I told you. That is the formula I have given you. But here the case is between 3 and 243, between 303 and 243, there are multiple arithmetic means. Let us say A1, A2, arithmetic mean 3, arithmetic 4, arithmetic M. M arithmetic means you have between what? Between 3 and 243. So what is the formula I told you? I told you the formula that,
A by n plus 1.
sorry,
B minus A by n plus 1.
B minus, in last term, B minus A by n plus 1 or M plus 1. We have M terms, right? So M plus 1. What will be here? 243 minus, what is A here? First term, 3 divided by, what is M here? Don't know. This is why. So look at this now. He told that, he has mentioned, clearly mentioned that, look at this. There are 3 geometric mean. How many? 3 geometric mean are inserted between 3 and 343. All right, 3 geometric means. मुझे इधर थोड़ा space. Look at this. There are 3 geometric means, which means between 3, also given that between 243, there are 3 geometric means. Let us say G1, G2, G3. Okay, what is the formula I told you here? R is equal to what I told you? B by A, B by A, R to the whole to the power of n plus 1. What is n here? 3. What is n here? Number of terms, right? 1, 2, 3. So total 3 terms I have. So n plus 1, isn't it? N plus 1. N plus 1. So what can I write this one? What can I write here? 3 ones are 3, 3, 81 are. So 81 whole power of 1 by 4. Is it clear? So 81 can be written as what? 3 to the power of 4, right? 3 to the power of 4. 81 can be written as 3 to the power of 3 into 3 into 3 into 4 times 3 is 81. 1 by 4. 4 will get cancelled now. R is equal to, I'm getting 3. How many of you clear with this point? Tell me. How many of you clear with this point? Yes or no? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look at this now. What he has given? What he has given again? Such that 4th AM is equal to second GM. 4th AM is equal to second GM. So second GM means G2 is equal, given that second GM means G2 is equal fourth AM. Fourth arithmetic means A4. Arithmetic means I have taken like A2, A3, something like that, right? So geometric means I have taken like G1, G2, G3. So second geometric mean is equal to fourth arithmetic mean he has given. So let me create the space again. Look at this. So G2, what is G2 here? What is G2 here? Hello, here, beta, look at this. What I told here, G2 means two geometric mean. Look at this. Tell me here, what can I take? R square, R comma R square. What is the common ratio? What is the common ratio? R only, no? R square by, if I do common ratio, R only common ratio. So R I'm taking. So R means 3 comma R square is equal to what? Guys, if you are not understanding this one, here G2 is equal to 4, fourth geometric mean. I mean, fourth geometric mean, A4. Look at the question. Second geometric mean is equal to fourth arithmetic mean. Fourth arithmetic mean is what?
A plus 4D.
Huh? See
A
here.
plus 4D.
A plus
4D. 4D.
A plus 4D. D is what here? 240 divided by M plus 1. What is G2 here?
AR square.
AR square. AR square. Why? Because look at this. मेरे पास था A comma AR comma AR square. Isn't it? That kind of thing. So now A, what is A here? What is A here? First term. देखो first term क्या है बेटा? 3 है ना? आया समझ? 3 into 3 square is equal 3 plus 4 into 240 divided by M plus 1. You understand, children, how we are writing this?
Yes, sir.
A plus 4D. Why we are writing A plus 4D? Tell me.
The fourth term.
Huh?
Fourth term, sir.
Fourth term. Fourth term. What is the third? If I ask you to write third term means what I have to write?
A plus 3.
A plus ND, right? A plus ND means A plus fourth means 40. Is it clear? So look at this now. 3 into 3 square means 9 is equal to 3 plus 4. 4 into 240, how much? 24 4 96. 960 divided by M plus 1. Is it clear? So 27 here is equal to what? 3 into M plus 1 divided by 960 into M plus 1. Is it clear? आ रहा है समझ में? Are you getting my point, children?
Yes, sir.
So M
Sir, the M is equal to 39.
is equal to 39, huh? How?
Yes, sir. Sir, wait, solving it.
27M plus 27 is equal to 3M plus 3 plus 960. So 27M minus 3M, so 24M. All right, 963 minus 27. So 24M is equal to 963 minus 27, how much? 6, 3, 936. 936. So M is equal to 936 divided by 24. 24 1 the 24, 24 3 is 72. 72 means how much? 80, 186 reminder. So 24 9 is how much? Yes, 39. So 39 is equal to the answer. M is equal to 39 is the answer. Very good. Any doubts here? Tell me. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Is it clear with everyone how we are writing? This is very important point here. G2 is equal to A power of 4 given. What is G2? What is G2? Second geometric mean. Second geometric means what? Guys, second geometric mean means what? First geometric mean is what? If I have 3 terms, something like that. Look at here. Second geometric mean is this one. Fourth arithmetic mean is A4. Is it clear with everyone? Is it clear with everyone or not? Yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
here we can write here this one as 240 divided by m plus is equal d, right? D value. So same thing I'm just substituting over there and getting the answer. Is that clear? Shall we move forward?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now solve this question now. You have to practice, guys. Practice, practice, practice. Solve at least two JE questions. Make it fast. See here if guys, simple question. Let f r to r. If r to r matlab function from r to r such that x belongs to r. So this is what given. अरे भाई same type of question we have solved before starting this session. Same type of question, minimum value wala question. This one f of x and this one in in what? AP. R in AP. So then थोड़ा ये गड़बड़ होगा है. R in AP. R in AP. Then the minimum value of f of x क्या होता है? As I told you guys, look at this. F of x given is equal. F of x is equal to what? These are in AP. So f of x equal middle term is equal to R in AP. What I told you, AP formula क्या होता है? If AB, I told you that A, comma B, comma C are in AP means what will happen? Arithmetic mean is equal to what will happen? Arithmetic mean is equal to what? B is equal to A plus C by 2. Isn't it? Yes or no? What is A here? This is A here. This is B here. This is C here. Is it clear? Is it clear? Whenever he is asking us to find minimum value concept, guys, you have to take AM, GM concept. AM is greater than or equal to GM. For minimum, whenever he asks minimum, I told you guys minimum value concept आया तो क्या करना है? Arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean. I know that arithmetic mean is what here? So we know that f of x is equal to b is equal to what here? What is b given? What is b here? Tell me. This is a children, this is b children, this is c children. So b is equal to which? F of x is equal to a. What is a here? 2 to the power of 1 minus x plus 2 to the power of 1 plus x. A plus c. C is what here? 3 power of x plus 3 power of minus x. Whole divided by 2. So using AMGM concept, find it out. F of x is equal to f of x is equal. What can I do here? Tell me. Simplify this. How can I simplify, guys? How can I simplify? Tell me. How can I simplify here? 2 to the power of 1 by 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of 1 by 2 to the power of minus x. Is that clear? Are you getting my point? So 3 to the power of x plus 1 by 3 to the power of x. Are I समझ? You can take something like this. Look at this here. You can take already same type of question we have solved. Same question, same type of, not same. Let after simplifying all this, you will be getting one value. Let me give options. You have to solve that. Already same. You try it home. Let me write options here. Same. So I think 10th question. One question we have. The first question of this session. Option A is 1. Option B is 2. Option C is 3. Option D is 4. You have to solve this. ऑप्शन बताइए मुझे. f of x will be, you will be look at it, I told you guys, f of x is greater than or equal to something, you will be getting. Why? Because we are using am greater than gm concept, right? तो मुझे greater than ही मिलेगा, मुझे greater than ही मिलेगा. You understand? am is greater than gm, so find it out. First you take, let 2 power of 1 minus x something you take. 2 power of 1 minus x. Simplify that. 2 power of 1 into 2 to the power of minus x. You can write like this, guys. 2 power of 1 into 2 to the power of minus x plus 2 power of 1 into 2 to the power of x. Is that clear? Plus 3 power of x into 3 power of minus x plus. So by 2. 2 take common. Simplify further. Simplify further, guys. Your answer is going to be what? You have to check it out. Homework. इसके बाद homework. Same question we have solved. You have to try this and tell me in tomorrow's class. We'll go for the next question. 13th one. Guys, before solving the 13th one, let me go 11th one here. One question. We missed 11th one actually. If the arithmetic mean of two numbers a and b, a is greater than b greater than 0, is 5 times their geometric mean, then a plus b divided by a minus b is equal to what? Option A is equal to root 6 by 2. Option B is equal to 3 root 2 by 4. Option C is equal to 7 root 3 by 5 root 6 divided by 12. Make it fast. Arithmetic mean of two numbers a and b, where a greater than b greater than 0 is 5 times their geometric mean. Then a plus b plus c. Very 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 good question. देखो बेटा कैसा करेंगे इसको, मैंने I'll be telling you here. I'll give simple and very very beautiful question. देखो, as per the question he has given, arithmetic mean is equal to 5 times of their geometric mean. Arithmetic mean formula क्या होता है? Here he is talking about ABC. Here AB are in arithmetic mean. तो formula क्या पता है मुझे? A plus B by 2 is equal to 5 into square root of AB. ये तो पता है ना? हेलो, square root of AB, yes or no? हाँ.
Yes, sir.
तो A plus B divided by square root of AB is equal to 5 into 2 here, 5 to 10. So A plus B divided by square root of AB is equal to 10. So what I'm going to get? Tell me, rationalization करेंगे इधर. Or using compound or dividend rule. Component or dividend rule. Or else you do one thing here. Find out A plus B. Rationalize this. How do I need to rationalize? A minus B divided by A minus B is equal to 10. So if I do this, so what I'm going to get? Tell me. So A square minus B square divided by square root of AB into A minus B is equal to 10. Huh? Is that clear? Huh. Solve this now. A by B is what? We have to find out A by B value. What is asking for? A plus B divided by A minus B, right? A plus B divided by A minus B. A plus B divided by A minus B. How can I find A plus B divided by A minus B? Huh. Can we do, or else can we do like this? A plus B divided by root AB into root AB by root AB is equal to 10. So root AB is equal to A plus B is equal to AB is equal to 10. So let us try it in different ways. A into 10 AB. Again, what best we can do here? This AB can be written as what? Guys, this AB can be written as what? 10 AB, right? 10 AB. So A plus B into AB is equal to 10 into root AB into root AB. So this go off. A plus B is equal to 10 in 10 times of AB. Otherwise, again we got same thing. Ah. Yes, tell me here, how can we do it? Guys, A plus B is equal to root AB is equal to 10 we got, right? So we need to get what we need to get here, A plus B divided by A minus B. Ah. A plus B divided A arithmetic mean of two numbers. Okay, arithmetic mean of two numbers. Is there any calculation mistake we made? तो सही बनाया हमने. Or else we do one thing simple, let us erase all this. We'll do one thing here instead of doing all this. Correct only. We didn't make any mistake. Here A plus B is equal to 10 times of. Guys, whenever I have square root, it will be itching for me. It will be like irritation. So I'll be doing squaring on both sides. If I do A plus B whole square, इतना छोटा सा logic, how did we miss? Whenever we have square root, to avoid that, we'll be squaring on both sides, right? So 100 into AB. So A square plus B square plus 2AB is equal to 100 AB. Not 100 GB, 100 AB. A square plus B square is equal to 98 AB. Yes or no, 98 AB? Guys, we can do one thing here. After that, we don't have any option to do. We'll do one thing. Instead of doing this stuff, how many of you know that A plus B whole square can be written as, A minus B whole square can be written as A plus B whole square minus 4 times of AB. This formula. A minus B whole square can be written as A square plus B square minus 2AB. So A plus B whole square can be written as A square plus B square plus 2AB. Minus 4AB is saying, right? So minus 4AB means, if you do minus 4AB, again what I'm getting, A square plus B square plus minus 2AB here. Which means again A minus B whole square or not? So A plus B whole square is equal to, A plus B whole square is equal to what? A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square is equal to A plus B whole square minus 4AB. Minus 4AB. Is that clear or not? Tell me. How many of you?
Yes, sir.
Look at, if you simplify this, guys, what I'm doing, if you simplify this, you will get LHS equal RHS. Simply, that is a formula. All right, A plus B whole square, so minus. So A minus B whole square, I know here, which is A plus B whole square is 100 AB minus 4 AB, which means A minus B whole square is equal to 96 AB. 96 AB मतलब कितना आएगा मुझे? $96 AB, right? See here, I know A minus B whole square, right? A minus B whole square. So look at this now. A minus B is equal to square root of 96 AB. Here, compound and divide into rule. Compound and divide into rule. What is that? Compound and divide into rule. How many of you are aware of the compound and divide into rule? Which means, look at this. A minus B have here. A minus B have, right? A minus B. I'll be just multiplying the opposite sign. Multiplying and dividing with the opposite sign. 1 second. अरे भैया or else you do one thing here. 96 AB we got, right? Guys, trigonometry in state board. In state board children, in trigonometry you might have learned. How many of you are aware of the state board children? How many of you know what is component and dividend rule? For suppose if I have something like children, if you don't understand like this, if you have A by B is equal C by D, okay. How I supposed to do is I'll be adding the denominator to the numerator. A plus B divided by A minus B, C plus D divided by C minus D. This is the component and dividend rule. ABC are numbers. ABC are what? Numbers here. Understand? You understand? Similarly, how can we apply here? Here A plus B divided by A minus B, if I write, is equal to A by B, right? Is equal to A by B. Huh. So A plus B divided by A minus B. So squaring on both sides, if I do square, individually square. Individually, if I do square, here this can be written as what? A plus B divided by A minus B can be written as like this. A plus B divided by A minus B whole square. If I this cancel, I can again get the same thing, no? Very tricky question, very good question. Isn't it? Now look at this here. Can I write individually? A plus B whole square divided by A minus B whole square. I know. A plus B whole square कितना मिला था मुझे? A plus B whole square. Look at this. A plus B whole square is equal to how much? 100 AB, right? A plus B whole square is equal to 100 AB. A minus B whole square is equal to 96 AB. So AB will get cancelled. What I remain with now? Guys, this can be written as what? A by B, no? Just now I told you, beta, look at this here. A by B can be written as A plus B divided by A minus B. So compounder divided rule means whenever, if you have A by B, this can be written as you have to add the denominator once and the numerator once. That is a compounder divided rule. Look at this now. He is asking us to find what? He is asking us to find A plus B divided by A minus B. That is what the reason I'm doing all this. This is what the reason I'm just doing all this stuff. A plus B divided by A minus B can be written as like this. So मुझे मिला 100 can be written as what? 100 can be written as 50 into 2 divided by 96 can be written as what? Root 96 can be written as what? 24 into 4. Isn't it? 24 into 4, right? So 50 can be written as 50 root 2 can be written as what? 5 root 6. Or else you do one thing. Or else, अरे यार इधर इतना बड़ा कैलकुलेशन जरूरत नहीं है. Simply we'll do one thing. 100 divided by 96 मतलब 4 ones are 4 fours are 425 are. How many of you agree with my point? Yes or no? So 5 divided by 14, root 14. This is your answer. Root 5 divided by root 14. Which of the option is getting correct? 5 divided by which option is getting correct here? Option 12 we are getting denominator. अरे भाई इधर तो 4 2s are ना 425 4 2s are 4 4s are. So 25 by 26, right? 25 by 26 we got. 25 by 25 can be written as how? 5. 24 can be written as how? Root 24. 5 by 6 4s are. So 2 root 6. सही है आंसर. 5 by 2 root 6. 5 by 2 root 6. Or 5 root 6 by 12. Correct. Both correct only. How can you convert? Like, look at this here. 5. If you multiply and divide with the root 2 here, what are you going to get? Or else 5, you just multiply and divide with the 5 root 2. Option is given that 5 divided by 5 root 6 divided by 12. So look at 5 by, can I write 12 into 2 here? 12 into 2, yes or no? 2 again, 5, 12 can be written as what? 2 into 6 into 2, yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? So 5 by root 2 outside root 6. Again, I'm getting same thing. So option, if you apply compound or divided total, again, 5 root 6 by 12. Somewhere we related option is 5 root 6. No need of thinking further. We got 5. None of the options are giving me 5. Look at this. None of the options are giving 5 here. Guys, no need of doing all this stuff. We are struggling with this. No need of doing all this stuff. See here. Tell me, apply the logic here. Apply the logic. Which option is giving me 5? Which option is giving me 5? Option D. Numerator is what? 5. So 5 by root 24. If you simplify further, you'll be getting that. Option D is going to be correct. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Any doubts would like to ask? Guys, any doubts you would like to ask? Tell me, make it fast. Now, 13th question, shall we move?
Yes, sir.
Make it fast. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 4 is equal to what? Make it fast. The previous question was very good question. Previous question was very, very good question. Guys, this is a sum series till 7th term. Sigma n is equal to 1 to 7 given. So simplify this further. N cube. So 2n cube. Guys, if you simplify, multiply this, what I'm going to get 2n cube directly plus n square is 2n square. So 3n square plus 1n divided by 4. How many of you okay with this point? So 1 by 4 I'm writing outside. Sigma n is equal to 1 to 7. So 2n cube plus 3n square by 4 plus n. Is it clear? Is that clear with everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Ah. Now here, how can I make it out? How can I do this? After this, make it fast. Oh, come on. Guys, sum of n cube terms. Hello? n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole by 6. Hello, hello, hello. Look at this, beta. Look at it. Very simple here. 1 by 4 as it is. I'm writing first sum of cubes of first and natural number. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2 whole square into 3 into sum of squares of first and natural number. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus n into n plus 1 by 2. All right. So here what is n here? What is n here? 1 by 2 into 2 as it is I'm writing. 7 till 7, right? Guys, 7 or not? N is 7 or not? 7 into 7 plus 1, 8 by 2 whole square. Plus 3 into 3 into solve this 7 into 8 into 15 by 6 plus 7 into 8 by 2. Very simple question है. How simple it is? Very simple. Calculate it fast, फटाफट. So इधर क्या होगा? What I'm going to get here? Tell me. 2 will get cancelled. Not 2 will get cancelled. Here we have 4 right square we have. So we cannot cancel directly. 1 by 4, 2 into 49 into 64. Isn't it? Or else we'll do for making calculation easy. We'll do one thing. We'll cancel here. 2 ones are 2 fours are. तो क्या होगा 49 into 4 square 7 square 14 into 4 square 16 plus 3 into here 3 twos are 3 fives are. So 3 into 40 into 7. So 7 is 56 into 5 into 2 plus 2 ones are 2 fours are. So 28 by 2. 28. That's all. 28. Is that clear? Yes or no? So 1 by 4. So 49 into 16, how much? 49 into 16. 144, 64, 78. 78 into 2. So 1568, yes. Plus 2 ones are 2, 28. 28 5 how much? 28 into 5. 5, 5, 8 5 is 40, 10, 140, 142, 40 to 420, yes. Plus 28. Is that clear? Calculations, guys, we have to be so strong at calculation. Very simple. So now 1 by 4 into add all this. What I'm going to get? 420 plus 28. How much? 448. 448 plus 16, 11, 10, 2016. 2016. 2016 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 5s are 504. 504 is the answer. Is that clear? Is that clear or not? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Is that clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
So here, what we have used, we have simplified. We have just used the sum of cubes of first and natural number, sum of squares of first and natural number, sum of first and natural number. Formula I used, I calculated. Very simple question, very laddu question. Next question. Make it fast. Solve this question. Let's see who is going to give the first answer. Fatafat, fatafat. What did you understand from that? Amrut Raja, what can we do? Tell me. Let me give the options. Disha, tell me, Disha, what you are understanding from this? What can we do from this question? Disha, what
Yes,
can we
sir.
make? What can we do? What you are understanding from this question? What can we do? Tell me. The sum given. Sum of the first, second, three terms given. Dash still n terms. Minus 1 by 2 into something given is equal to what? कैसा करेंगे? बताओ ना, बताओ जल्दी से बताओ. Till 15 cube given. So which means what? Till 15 terms we have. 15 cube means till 15 terms we have, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे अभी देखो. First let us take, let कोई भी ले लो, कोई मान लो sum, right? Sum. Let sum is equal, क्या दिया है? 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube divided by 1 plus 2 and 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube by 1 plus 2 plus 3 dash. Still how many terms? 15 cube given, right? So 15 terms. Is that clear or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
इसको क्या करेंगे देखो. What can we do here? Nth term. Till n terms means nth term. For finding nth term. So can I write now 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube dash till n cube divided by 1 plus 2 plus 3 dash till n. All right. So sum of cubes of n terms. Sum of cubes of n terms, which means n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square, whole divided by n into n plus 1. Sum of first n natural numbers is equal to what? Hello, is equal to what? One time will get cancelled. What I remain with now? N into n plus 1 by 2. Aya, you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So the given question is, very good question. Here now look at this. What can we do? Tn given, right? N square plus 1n by 2. If I apply in the sum, what I'm going to look at is now sum is equal, sum of n terms is equal half into half. I have, right? Half. So sum of n is equal to 1 to 15 we have into n square plus sum of n is equal to 1 to 15 n. Is it clear or not? Hello, I just found t and nth term. So I'm finding sum now. So look at this here. What can I do? Half into n into n plus 1 formula. Plus n into n plus 1 by 2. Is that clear? So half into n. What is n here? 15 into 16 into 15, 30, 1 by 6 plus n into n plus 1 means 15 into 16 by 2. Cancel here. 2 3s are 2 8s are. 3 1s are 3 5s are. 2 1s are 2 8s are. What I'm going to get half into 15 is 5 is 40 into 30. 40 into 31 kitna? 31 0 0 31 4 so much 124. So 1240 plus 15 is 120. 1220 plus 120 how much? 1240 plus 120 how much? So 1360. 1360 divided by 2 1s are 2 6 are 2 8. So 680 we got here. Now 680 I got, but we didn't finish the answer here. This is not my final answer. अरे यार क्या हो रहा है? ठीक है, 680 I got this one, but he's asking for what? Look at this here. After solving all this, minus he has given, minus this one. Half into sum of first 15 natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2. So look at this here. 2 1s are 2 8s are. 2 1s are 2 4s are. So I got 60 here. This one I got 60. So 680 minus 60. Therefore, 680 minus 60 is equal to 620 is the answer. How many of you clear with this point? This is my answer. Is that clear? Hello? Is that clear with you or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Now, guys, I think we are done with the time. So next class, you have to finish this 15th and 16th question and come up with this. Is that clear? These two questions are homework here. Homework. Homework. All right. All right. Yes or no? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, then let's retire now. We'll meet in the next session. Goodbye. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.